Let's crush something.
This season on Jay Leno's Garage,
Go big or go home, right, Jay?
we attempt the impossible.
Two-direction vehicle.
This really can't be legal.
We'll try to outdo ourselves.
You don't want to raise the bar. That ruins it for
That makes
everybody.
the rest of the guys look bad.
Can it be done?
Ratings will go through the roof.
With help from some big stars,
Jay was in there screaming like a little...
Oh, my word.
This is adorable.
I gotta learn how to say no to things.
amazing cars,
Wait till you see the bidet.
and megabots.
What's a megabox?
It's a regular bot, just, mega.
In megabox.
Plus, lots of smoky burnouts, thrilling races,
And the winner will be the guy who won.
and more speed
Now let's step on it.
All right.
than ever before. We're certain that it's going to be the best season of Jay Leno's Garage ever. If it's not the best season, we will not be held responsible.